What is intelligence? Going into the history, intelligence has been a hot topic for scientists for centuries, and in the last 30 years we have learned it well that how important it is being smart. In light of this topic, we have special reference of Howard Gardner, a neuroscience professor at Harvard University. He gave a theory to explain the term intelligence, which is coined as the theory of multiple intelligences in 1983. It is notion which is believed that if you have to measure intelligence of someone, then it can be measured merely with standardized short answer tests. But according to Gardner's theory, everyone had their own distinctive intelligence and there could be multiple kind of intelligences. This was the history behind. Now let's go further into the meaning behind this word intelligence. Basically, the ability to learn or understand something or to deal with new things and trying new situations is termed as intelligence. There are many different types of intelligence. Let's look at them one by one. First, we have spatial intelligence. Spatial intelligence includes learners who are often proficient at thinking imaginatively and creatively, that have a sixth sense of solving complex queries. They learn best by visualizing things, by understanding through graphics, charts, models, etc. For example, if a teacher wants to teach students about planets in solar system, then a 3D model will be more beneficial in learning this concept, indicating position and distance between planets. Next type of intelligence is logical mathematical. These learners have a better understanding and grasp at logic and reasoning. They excel in thinking in terms of formulas, equations, operations, maps, and thoughts. For example, if these learners wants to learn about international trade, then it could involve having them to learn through a Venn diagram comparing exports and imports in form of visualizing data. After this, we have musical learning. These learners have a natural sensitivity and perception to different sound elements. Musical learners are good at understanding different rhythms, learning different pitches and tones of music. They are best at playing musical instruments. For example, if these individuals want to learn about the process of cell division, then they should watch a video with maximum sound effects. It helps them to learn better. Next intelligence is linguistic intelligence. People having heightened linguistic intelligence have natural affinity for words and different languages. They learn different languages fast. They learn best by reading, writing, storytelling. They also easily learn different sense of speaking languages. For example, debating on a certain topic should help them to understand that topic well. Further, we see some more types of intelligence. Going further into types of intelligence, we have bodily kinesthetic. This type of intelligence involves the use of connection between mind and body. Learners having this type of intelligence have a high awareness of their bodies and mind. These learners perform best in practical situations where involvement of hands and body is required. For example, choreographers have this type of intelligence. Next is the interpersonal intelligence. These individuals are highly aware of their emotions, feelings, perceptions, and thoughts. These are strong and self-enabling individuals that have a high self-reflection, and they learn best when they are allowed to work independently. For example, these individuals should set personal goals and understand their motivations and keep a track of their progress. After interpersonal, we have intrapersonal intelligence. This type of intelligence involves learners who are best interacting with other people. They're sensitive to moods and feelings of others, and they collaborate well in groups and effectively communicate with other people. For example, for better understanding, they should work in a group, and they should learn by analyzing each other's work, mutually sharing feedback. Lastly, we have naturalistic learning. These individuals have affinity and sixth sense about nature. They have a clear understanding of nature and world around them. They learn best through studying plants, animals, different species, and other elements of nature. They learn best by analyzing examples from nature, for example, learning honeycomb structure of beehives or patterns in flowers to understand their structure.